Most OpenClaw use cases that I'm seeing online right now kind of suck. And I'm not saying OpenClaw is bad. OpenClaw is extremely powerful, but most use cases that you see online aren't using OpenClaw's potential to the fullest. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys 7 of my favorite OpenClaw use cases. These are systems that can vastly simplify your workflow, save you a bunch of time, and even help you make more money. So without any further ado, let's jump into it and get started. The first system I want to talk about is an AI voice calling agent. The idea is that you're going to automate all of your phone call tasks with AI. So for example, if you want to qualify a lead, you want to cold call someone, or even just book a barbershop appointment, you can do all that using OpenClaw. Now, the interesting part is that OpenClaw by itself cannot make phone calls. You're going to have to connect it to something like Retail, which is then going to enable OpenClaw to call people. Essentially, the way this works is that OpenClaw is going to act as a brain. It's going to decide when and who to call, and then it's going to send a request to Retail, which is then going to call the person and, talk to them just like a normal human. And once the call is complete, it's going to send a summary back to OpenClaw, which will then, either send you the summary, log the call, or even update your calendar or a CRM. And all of this is going to be done automatically. All you're going to have to do is just message your OpenClaw, be like, call Alex at 5 p.m. and tell him XYZ, and it's going to do all that automatically. Now, the best part is I have a full tutorial on how to make this exact workflow on my channel. I'm going to link it either somewhere up here or on that side. So be sure to check that out. You're going to learn how to make that entire agent from scratch. The next system I want to talk about is a secure email triage system. Now, email triage systems are not new to OpenClaw. There's plenty of people out there talking about them. But the main problem is that giving OpenClaw unrestricted access of your Gmail is extremely risky. You're exposing yourself to prompt injection attacks, API leaks, or even having your data stolen. So a smarter and more secure way to do this is by using Zapier's MCP servers. You can think of this as a security layer. The way this works is that OpenClaw doesn't directly access your email. It sends a request to the MCP server, which will then access your email, and all of your API keys and all of your data is going to be stored separately. So that's going to make your system a lot more secure. Then once OpenClaw has your emails, it's going to categorize them, it's going to summarize them, and it's even going to draft your responses, because remember, OpenClaw has your whole persona. It knows everything about you. So it will most likely know the context of that email and what you want to say in response. So in practice, it's going to look something like this. You wake up and you get a message from OpenClaw telling you that, you have 3 emails and these are the responses that I think you should give them. You can tell OpenClaw if you want to make any changes and send them, and it's automatically going to be sent. It's a super clean workflow, so you can save time and focus on the things that actually matter. Now, this next one is pretty simple, but it's by far my favorite use case, and that is the 2-minute morning summary. The idea is that every day when you wake up, you get a daily summary from OpenClaw about your life. So that includes your important emails, your calendar for the day, the weather, any important news that it thinks you're interested in, and your tasks for the day. All of that information is going to be summarized into 30 seconds of reading, so you don't have to, go and check your email, check the news, check the weather. You won't do any of that manually. All of that will be automatically summarized for you. And I think this agent really shows you the power of OpenClaw. You don't really have to connect it to any APIs or set up anything. You just tell OpenClaw what information you want and connect it to your email via the MCP servers that I mentioned before, and it's going to do everything else automatically. This next agent is going to be extremely important for you if you're a freelancer or a student or anyone who's looking for more opportunities. And the agent is basically an opportunity finder. What you do is you tell OpenClaw what exactly you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for more freelance projects, you're looking for scholarships as a student, or if you're looking for internships, it's going to search the internet, and every single day is going to give you a summary of what it found, what internships it thinks you should apply to, what scholarships you should apply to, or what kind of freelance gigs are doing well so you can offer them as well. It's going to search the internet automatically and go on websites like, for example, Fiverr for freelance work. It's going to find all that information, condense it, and give you a suggestion of what your next move should be. Now, I don't know about you, but because I'm in college, I spend a lot of my time looking for a job and online freelance work, and this is going to be a big game changer for me because it's going to automate the entire process of, searching online and looking for things. And by the way, the prompts for all these agents are going to be in the description. So if you want to replicate any one of these, just go to the description, copy it, and paste it in your OpenClaw. The next agent is a Twitter monitoring agent. The idea is that OpenClaw is going to scan Twitter for any sort of trending topics or any sort of discussions in your niche, and every day it's going to send you a summary of what is trending on Twitter. With this agent, you can stay on top of everything. For example, when OpenClaw was released, it first went viral on Twitter. So if you want to be an early adopter or first mover in your industry, this is going to be a big game changer for you because it's going to help you stay on top of the latest trends and make sure that you're never behind. All right, now before we move on to the next agent, I just want to take a moment to tell you guys that if you want to run OpenClaw agents 24/7, you're going to need a server. And if you do this on your local computer, it is extremely dangerous. You can have your data and password stolen. So the easiest and most secure way is to host OpenClaw on a VPS. And I want to tell you guys about Hostinger, which is one of the cheapest and most reliable VPS providers out there. You can set up your very own VPS in just a couple of minutes, and it's super beginner friendly. And the best part is that if you use my code NAFE3D, you get an additional 10% off. So be sure to check out Hostinger for your VPS. And with that being said, let's get back to the video. Alright, now this next system is where OpenClaw becomes extremely powerful. It is basically a browser automation agent. The main goal with this is to automate repetitive tasks that you do on the internet, for example, filling out forms, submitting job applications, for example, copy pasting a lot of data, or even basic admin work. This is something that most people don't actually know about OpenClaw, but it can actually operate your browser just like it normally would. Now, even though this use case is actually amazing, you can do a lot of stuff with it, there is definitely a risk tied to it, because obviously if you give OpenClaw unrestricted access to your browser, it's still AI, so you can definitely, hallucinate, or you can do something that you don't want it to do, right? So there are definitely security concerns in this, so you need to, be careful and use this with proper safeguards. But if you use it properly, it can be a really powerful agent. All right, now this next system is going to be extremely helpful for you if you're trying to build like an online business, and that is the competitor analysis agent. The idea is that basically OpenClaw keeps an eye on your competitor and checks for new product launches, pricing changes, maybe viral videos, and everything that you need to know about your competitor so you can compete with them effectively. And this is something that founders actually spend hours doing every single week, but now this agent can do all of that for you automatically. Once you set it up, OpenClaw will constantly monitor their, for example, YouTube channel or their Twitter pages or even their website. And if anything changes, for example, they launch a new product, you're going to get an alert on your phone. And it's also going to give you weekly updates as well. So if you're an entrepreneur and trying to build something online, this is going to be insanely helpful for you. So be sure to set this up. Again, the prompt for this agent is also going to be in the description below. All right, now this next one is one of my favorites, to be honest, and it's basically an AI side hustle finder. The idea is that OpenClaw basically scans the internet for new ways that you could make money. And the interesting part is that it constantly keeps looking. It just doesn't look once. It keeps scanning the internet for new and viral ways to make money. The agent can check new products on Gumroad, for example, new TikTok trends, new affiliate programs launching, or maybe online communities discussing new opportunities. It does all the research, it filters them for you specifically, then it ranks them and gives you a daily summary. So instead of spending hours doing research on, how you want to make money online, the ideas come to you every single day in your inbox. And to be honest, this is one of the best uses of AI agents, because AI agents can scan way more information and they can condense a lot more information than humans can, and using them for this purpose will benefit you quite a bit. All right, now this next agent is honestly for somebody like me who is in college, who's looking for jobs, and that is an AI job application agent. If you've tried looking for a job in this economy, you know how hard that is. You know how pretty much every company is using AI to scan your resumes now, and you need to have specific keywords in your resume for it to be filtered through the AI and actually read by a human being. So the best way to do this is actually read the job description and then update your resume to add specific keywords that are going to make your resume stand out. But doing that manually for every single job that you apply to is going to take hours, and that is where AI comes in. We can build an OpenClaw agent that basically automates this entire workflow. First, it scans job sites to look for different jobs. It's going to scan sites like LinkedIn, for example, Indeed, or maybe even startup job boards. And once it finds a job that it thinks you're going to be interested in, it reads the job description, updates your resume, even writes a custom cover letter, and then submits a fully custom application. Now, it's up to you if you want to first review the application and then submit it, or just have the agent submit it automatically. The control is definitely in your hands. But what this agent allows you to do is that instead of applying to 5 jobs in 1 hour, you can apply to 50. And I think this is where OpenClaw really shines, because it automates all the repetitive tasks for you, so you can focus on things that actually matter instead of just, tweaking your resume to fit a certain job description. Now, this last system is actually really fun. It's basically a deal finder. For example, if you want to buy something from Amazon or any other website, and instead of manually searching the internet for, let's say, coupons or the best price of the product, you can use OpenClaw to automatically do that. It's going to check on Amazon, it's going to check on different coupon sites. It can even check on Reddit for like recommendations. And then once it's done all the analysis, it's going to give you a summary of what it found and what the best price of the product is. Now, I don't know about you, but for me personally, whenever I'm buying something, I spend a ton of time just doing research and, finding the best price. So for me, this has been really helpful because I basically don't have to do any research. It just guarantees that I get the best price all the time. And once again, the prompt for this agent is also going to be in the description. So yeah, those are some OpenClaw use cases that are extremely useful. At least they have been for me, and I hope they are for you as well. And I hope you guys try at least some of these. If you do, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And also, if you have any ideas of your own, be sure to drop them in the comments as well, so you can help other people from the community as well. Once again, I do have tutorials for some of these agents, so I'm going to link all of them down below. And for the ones that I don't, I'm going to be leaving the prompts for them in the description as well. So with that being said, this video comes to an end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.